Hi, today I'm going to be giving you my unbiased review of Temu. Now, is it a scam or is it legit? Now, let me give you some backstory about what Temu is. Temu back then usually had a big drama, right? Because they used to sell really expensive items for super cheap. The one I remembered specifically from back then is that they used to sell a Nintendo Switch for $7. And if you know a Nintendo Switch typically costs around $400, $300, right? And then they're selling it for $7. They used to have things like PS4 and PS5 as well for extremely cheap. Like it's just $10 or $7, same as the Switch from earlier, right? Now, with those red flags in mind, you think that Temu is a scam, right? And back then, people have reported that they did get the Switch and they did get the PS4, right? Because it was sort of like a giveaway thing that they do. It's like a publicity stunt, right? But if you go to Temu now and I go search Switch here for example, if I go search for Switch here, you can see that no matter how much I scroll here, you can see uh there won't be any real Nintendo Switch console for $7, right? Like you might think something like this, and it's a Switch controller, but it's no, it's just a protective case. And most of these are just accessories for the Switch, right? There's no actual Switch we can buy here. And even if it is, it'll probably be in normal price, right? Now, it's because Timu, I think, has recently gotten a lot more quality control, right? So it's not Wish level of low quality, if you know what I mean. But some products from Temu, customers have reported that it's pretty disappointing or it's low quality, right? Because my go-to motto is basically you're paying for what you're getting, right? So if you buy something for cheap, then the product that comes is gonna be cheap as well, right? And just so it happens that a lot of product in Temu is cheap. So of course you're gonna be getting cheap products, right? That makes sense, right? So is it a scam? Probably not. What you buy will probably come, but the actual use and how well it works, the quality, if it's according to the image in the store or not, the reviews, all of those stuff, that's up for debate. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.